Hello students, in this video we will see some typical problems related to straight line. The problem is if P coordinate is a comma b is the midpoint of a line segment between axes so that the line is x upon a plus y upon b is equal to 2. We should try to understand this problem through figure. See, these are the axis, x-axis, this one is y-axis, this is the origin, and this is a line. This point is A and this point is B. Here, the midpoint is P, coordinates are A, comma B. Right? According to the concept of the coordinate, here the point P, the coordinate of point B, x coordinate is x, what y coordinate will be 0. In same way, y coordinate of the point is y and x coordinate is 0. So the coordinate of the point A is 0 comma y and coordinate of B x comma 0. See, P is the midpoint and we know that the coordinate of midpoints of any 2 points, that is x1 plus x2, y2 and y1 plus y2, y2. By using this concept, A will x1 plus x2, pay attention here, x1 plus x2, y2 is equal to A, right? And y1 plus y2, y2 is equal to B. So, x1, here x1 is 0, x2 is x upon 2 is equal to A. In same way, y1 is y and y2 is 0, y2 is equal to B. That is xy2 is equal to A and yy2 is equal to B. So x will equal to 2A and here y is equal to 2B. So the coordinate of the point A will equal to 0 comma 2B and coordinate the point B will equal to 2A comma 0. Now we know that the equation of line passing these 2 points will equal to y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 x minus x1. This was the concept. Now substitute the value by y1 is, that is 2b, y2 is 0 y1 is 2b, same way x2 is 2a and x1 is 0. Here x and x1 is 0. When we will solve, then we will see y minus 2b is equal to minus 2b upon 2a into x. So y minus 2b will equal to minus b by a x. Okay. Now multiplying both the side by a, so you will have ay minus 2ab is equal to minus vx. Shifting a by plus bx is equal to 2ab. Dividing both the side with ab, then we will have our required result. A and A will divide it, then you will have y over b plus, here b and b will be divided, so finally you will have x over a is equal to 2. Or you may write down this concept like this way: x over a plus y over b is equal to 2. This is the solution of this